Today we're diving deep into the world of WD-40. That little blue and yellow can most people have sitting in their garage. It's about to become your new best friend. We're talking 15 insane hacks that'll have you saying WD what? We're not just talking about fixing squeaky doors here, people. We're talking removing crayon from walls, cleaning stainless steel, making your shoes waterproof, and even unclogging shower heads. This stuff is like magic in a can. And the best part? You probably already have some lying around. So grab your can, hit that like button, smash subscribe if you're new to the channel, because things are about to get wild. Parents, you know the struggle is real when your little Picassos decide to use your walls as their canvas. But before you reach for the paint scraper and unleash your inner Bob Ross, grab that can of WD-40. Just a quick spray on those crayon masterpiece, let it sit for a minute and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Boom! The crayon disappears like magic, and your walls are left looking good as new. And the best part? It won't damage your paint. You can thank me later. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. Keep watching for more mind-blowing WD-40 hacks. Okay, let's be real. Who has time to constantly wipe down their stainless steel appliances? Those fingerprints are relentless. But don't worry, my friends, WD-40 is here to save the day and your sanity. Just a light spray of WD-40 on your fridge, oven, dishwasher, whatever, and give it a good wipe with a microfiber cloth. The result? A sparkling, streak-free shine that will make your kitchen look brand new. Seriously, this stuff works like a charm. It's way cheaper than those fancy stainless steel cleaners, and it actually works better. You're welcome, but we're just getting started, folks. Stick around for more incredible WD-40 hacks. Listen up, sneakerheads. Tired of ruining your favorite kicks in the rain? WD-40 is about to become your new secret weapon. This hack is so simple, it's almost criminal. Just give your shoes a light coating of WD-40, let them dry completely, and bam! You've got yourself some water-resistant shoes. Rain, puddles, spills, they won't stand a chance. Your feet will stay dry, and your shoes will stay fresh. It's like magic, but better. And the best part? It won't stain or damage your shoes. But wait, there's more. Remember that awesome patio furniture you used to have, the one that's now faded and dull from the sun? Well, get ready to fall in love with it all over again, because WD-40 is about to bring it back to life. That's right, this miracle spray can actually restore faded plastic. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it clean. It's like magic. Your plastic will look brand new, I kid you not. It's like giving your outdoor furniture a facelift without the hefty price tag. We've all been there, that dreaded moment when your zipper gets stuck. But fear no more, because WD-40 is here to save the day, and your dignity. Just grab a Q-tip, dip it in some WD-40 and apply it to the teeth of the zipper. Work it back and forth a few times and voila, the zipper will loosen right up. No more awkward struggles in the dressing room, no more broken zippers, just smooth sailing from now on. This is one of those hacks that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. But don't stop now, we're just getting started. We've got a ton of amazing WD-40 hacks to share with you. Alright guys, this next hack is a game changer. Is your shower head looking a little sad? Low water pressure got you down? Well, I'm about to let you in on a little secret that plumbers don't want you to know. Grab that can of WD-40 and give your shower head a good spray. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then turn on the water and watch the magic happen. All that built-up mineral deposit will wash away, leaving you with a powerful, refreshing shower. It's like having a brand new shower head without spending a dime. This is one of those hacks that will make you wonder why you haven't been using WD-40 for everything. But don't go anywhere. We've got even more mind-blowing WD-40 hacks coming up. Winter is coming, my friends. And with it comes the dreaded frozen car lock. But fear not, because WD-40 is here to save you from that early morning frustration. Before the temperature drops, spray a little WD-40 into your car lock. It'll act as a barrier, preventing moisture from freezing and locking you out. No more standing in the cold, desperately trying to thaw your lock with a lighter or hairdryer. WD-40 is all you need to conquer winter's wrath. But that's not all. Okay, who here has ever driven through a cloud of bugs and regretted it instantly? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, WD-40 is here to save the day. Just spray those pesky bug carcasses and tar spots with WD-40, let it sit for a minute, and then wipe it away with a soft cloth. It'll cut through the grime without damaging your car's paint. Your car will be sparkling clean in no time, and you'll be cruising down the road with a smile on your face. This stuff is like magic in a can. And trust me, we're just getting started. Does your garage door sound like a herd of elephants every time you open it? Yeah, mine too. But don't worry, because WD-40 is here to silence those squeaky tracks. Just spray a little WD-40 on the tracks and rollers, and give it a good test run. You'll be amazed at the difference. No more embarrassing noises, no more struggling to open and close the door, just smooth, silent operation. It's like giving your garage door a new lease on life. And the best part? This hack takes like 2 seconds to do. But listen up, crafters and DIY enthusiasts, dull scissors are the worst, but before you toss them out and buy new ones, grab that can of WD-40. Just a quick spray on the blades, a little wipe down, and bam, your scissors will be sharper than ever. WD-40 cleans away all that sticky residue that dulls the blades, leaving them sharp and ready for action. It's like giving your scissors a second life. This is one of those simple hacks that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Winter is coming, my friends, and with it comes the dreaded task of shoveling snow. But fear not, because WD-40 is here to make your life a whole lot easier. Before you head out to battle those snowdrifts, give your snow shovel a good coat of WD-40. And when I say coat, I mean coat. The snow will slide right off, making shoveling a breeze. No more heavy, snow-laden shovelfuls. No more backbreaking labor, just quick and easy snow removal. This is one of those hacks that will make you wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. Ever gotten a ring stuck on your finger? It's the worst. But before you panic and call the fire department, just grab that can of WD-40. Just a quick spritz around the ring and gently twist. The WD-40 will lubricate your skin, making it super easy to slide that ring right off. Just like that, you're free. But hey, a word of caution. Don't use this hack if your skin is broken or irritated. Safety first, my friends. Calling all musicians, this one's for you. Did you know that WD-40 can actually improve the sound of your guitar? Just spray a little WD-40 on a cloth and wipe down your strings. It'll clean away grime, reduce squeaking, and even extend the life of your strings. Your guitar will sound better than ever, and your fingers will thank you. But don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself. And while you're at it, keep watching for even more amazing WD-40 hacks. Is your granite countertop looking a little worse for wear? Don't worry, WD-40 is here to save the day. Just spray a little WD-40 on those stubborn water rings and soap scum stains, let it sit for a minute, and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Your granite will be sparkling clean and free of streaks. It's like magic. WD-40 is the ultimate cleaning solution for your kitchen, and it's way cheaper than those fancy granite cleaners. But the fun doesn't stop there. Can you believe all that, folks? WD-40 is like the Swiss Army knife of household products. From fixing squeaky doors to removing gum and even making your shoes waterproof, this little blue and yellow can do it all. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome life hacks and DIY projects. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. Until next time, stay crafty.